What is more exciting than granola? Nothing! That's why I'm gonna show you my favorite granola bar recipe. Well, it's not really a recipe, it's more like a technique. Because you can use whatever ingredients you have on hand. That's why I call them whatever bars. Well, not really whatever you have on hand. There are definitely some rules as to what you should and shouldn't put in a granola bar. Like poop. Don't put that in your food. But things like sunflower seeds or oatmeal, those things work great. I start with about 2 cups of medjool dates. Just make sure that you remove the pits if they still have them, and then process them until they form into a ball. Now spread 1.5 cups of oats onto a baking sheet and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. Then I chopped up 1/2 cup of pecans, but you can use whatever nut you want. Then I just add about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or flax seeds or sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, or really whatever I have. Because again, just use whatever trail mix-like ingredient you have in your kitchen. Chopped nuts, chocolate chips, coconut flakes, raisins, even cereal. Next, I warmed up a little peanut butter and maple syrup, but you could use whatever nut butter or syrup that you prefer. And at that point, the oats were done cooking. So I poured that into the bowl with the seed mixture. And then mixed in the peanut butter and maple syrup. Now give it a good stir to coat everything evenly. And then with clean hands, very clean hands, I squeeze in the date mixture, which is my favorite part because I love to get my hands dirty. And then on a parchment paper lined baking dish, press the mixture down firmly, and you can use the edge of the parchment paper to help press down the edges. Then refrigerate it for about an hour or so to firm up, and then cut it into bars. If you want to be extra saucy, just drizzle it with a little melted chocolate. Now here are some delicious, out-of-focus bars that will make your mouth and your tummy happy. Oh good, we're in focus, but now we're shaky. And now we're back out of focus. Fantastic. See you next week.